Hi, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm really hungry. Let's go eat something.
What do you want to eat today?
I feel like eating noodles. How about you?
Noodles sound great. Do you want Chinese noodles or Khmer noodles?
Let's try Chinese noodles. I heard there's a new restaurant nearby.
Oh, yes, the one next to the school?
That's right. It looks clean and the food smells delicious.
What will you order?
I'll order beef noodles and iced tea. What about you?
I'll get chicken noodles and orange juice.
Great. Let's go eat and enjoy our meal.
Conversation 2. Talking about favorite food.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice. I can eat it every day.
Really? Do you cook it yourself or buy it?
Sometimes I cook it at home, but I also like the fried rice from the market.
What do you like to put in your fried rice?
I like eggs, chicken, and vegetables. It tastes so good.
That sounds delicious. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza? That's nice. Do you like cheese pizza or meat pizza?
I love cheese pizza with mushrooms.
Yum! Now I'm hungry again. Let's go get some food.